Global. Enter the name of any country to make your first guess. Today's country কোনটা হইতে পারে কোনটা হইতে পারে কোনটা হইতে পারে So let's start with no, we didn't get the answer. So the mystery country is Poland. So we answered, we got our today's country, and that's Poland. The site link is in description. Go and check it.